Hey everyone, what's good? It's your girl Shelly G here, back with another video, and today we will be doing this neon clown look. And today is day 7 of my 13-day countdown to Halloween. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you want to know how I did this, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so first I'm just going to start off by moisturizing and priming my face because I'm about to put a lot of makeup on. And I'm just going to start out by putting concealer all over my face, neck, and chest and blending it out with a damp beauty blender. And I wanted to use concealer because I didn't want to use my actual foundation color because I wanted everything to be a little bit lighter since this is a clown face. And I also didn't want to just put straight white all over my body. And so here I am putting on some white concealer in all the normal concealer places. And I'm just going to glue down my eyebrows really quick because I just decided that I wanted to cover them up later. So that's why I just went in and did that. And then I'm just blending out all the concealer with a damp beauty blender. Now I'm going to go in with my translucent powder and powder everything that I just did and set it and make sure that it lasts a really long time. And this translucent powder is really white, and so it helps to brighten things up also without having to paint your face all white. And now I'm just going to take some more of that white concealer over my eyebrows because my eyebrows are really dark and I wanted you to not be able to see them. And then powdering those once again to set the concealer. And now I'm just going to take a white makeup crayon and kind of map out where I want all of my clown shapes. This isn't going to be where everything is going to be at the end because I cover it all up with eyeshadow, so you can't really see it at the end. But I just wanted to make like a mental note of where I wanted everything. And now I'm just going to take some blue eyeshadow to contour. And I didn't want to do regular contour because I wanted this clown to be really colorful, and so that's why I picked a blue. And I'm just putting that everywhere I usually put my bronzer. So cheekbones, forehead, jawline, and then I'm going to contour my nose as well. And now I'm just going to start in my rainbow, and I'm going to do the colors pink, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. And I just randomly started with blue, and you just want to basically cover the entire section. And this is me deciding that I wanted to do like kind of opposites on the eyes, so that's why I'm rubbing away the blue on one eye because I'm going to put it on the bottom portion of the triangle instead of the upper portion, or diamond, I guess, maybe. I don't know why I started with blue. I think I just randomly did that. But anyways, I'm just gonna very messily blend that around the white line that's right there, because if you look at a neon sign, the colors glow on either side of the white. So basically you're putting the eyeshadow on either side of the white line. And then I just slowly go through all the colors, adding them in one by one. And then now I'm just going to take some white cream face paint and I'm just adding in the lines with a small angled brush. And I'm just staying in the middle of all the eyeshadow colors that I just put on. And basically just drawing the shapes a second time. And then for the mouth, I wanted it to be a little bit longer and I wanted the sides of the mouth to go up a little bit. So it's kind of like a little bit of a creepy clown smile. Now I'm just going to cover my eyebrow with some blue eyeshadow, but I end up outlining it with some black and then filling it in, and then I end up going back over it with some white. Now I'm just going to add a quick winged eyeliner, followed by that hot pink eyeshadow on the top of the eyeliner, and then I'm just going to blend that up into the crease. And now I'm going to put some Jeffree Star pink highlighter in the shade Nefri, and I'm just putting that on the inner corner and then blending it into the lid of my eye. Now I'm taking some black eyeshadow and I'm just putting it in the middle of all of the shapes just to give it some dimension and just to add a little bit more depth to everything. And I'm just taking that white cream face paint again and going over my eyebrows with yet another color because I couldn't decide what I liked best. And now I'm just putting on some really big eyelashes. These are Eden Rose, and I believe these are the style Drama Queen, and then I'm just using some mascara to blend them in with my eyelashes. And now I'm just gonna go in and draw in my ruffled thing. I don't know what these are called that clowns wear, but I'm just draw lines and make sections at each bend of the ruffle, if that makes any sense. And then I'm just gonna shade the bottom portion and make it look like a shadow to make it look like the ruffles are sticking up a little bit and give it a more 3D effect. And then I'm just going to color in each section with each color that I put on my face. So again, pink, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. And then I have another section on the other side, so I put another pink section in. Again, don't worry about covering the white line because it doesn't matter at the end portion. It's just to help you see where things go. And now I'm just going to fill in the sides of each space with some black eyeshadow and create some dimension and shadowing to make it look like actual ruffles. And now I'm just going to put some white cream face paint as a highlight at the end of each ruffle. Okay, you guys, that is it for this neon clown look, and she's cute, she's creepy. I hope that you enjoyed day 7 of my 13 days of shelloween, and I hope to see you again tomorrow for day 8. If I wasn't too awkward for you, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and you can hit the notification bell to get a notification every time I post a new video. Bye!